Watch closely, because this is where precision really matters. We're welding a steel joint where strength and alignment are everything. Before striking the arc, notice how the surfaces are properly cleaned. Clean metal means better fusion, fewer defects, and a stronger weld. As the electrode touches down, the arc is controlled and steady. This is not about speed, it's about consistency. Keeping the correct arc length helps the weld pools stay stable and prevents spatter. Pay attention to the electrode angle. A slight tilt allows better penetration into both sides of the joint. This ensures the weld bonds evenly, not just on the surface but deep inside the metal. As the weld progresses, you can see the bead forming smoothly. That uniform ripple pattern tells you the heat input is balanced. Too much heat can weaken the joint, and too little can cause poor fusion. Notice how the welder pauses briefly at the edges. This technique helps fill the joint properly and avoids undercutting. Small details like this make a big difference in professional welding. Sparks flying don't mean chaos, they mean controlled energy. Every movement is intentional, every pass is calculated. Once completed, this joint isn't just welded, it's reinforced. Strong, clean, and built to last. This is the difference between a basic weld and a professional-grade weld. If you appreciate clean welding and real craftsmanship, stay tuned for more.